A country nearly 20,000 kilometers away has stepped in to support India as it faces a sharp liquefied petroleum gas yani LPG shortage triggered by the ongoing West Asia conflict. With the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, a route that handles nearly 60% of India's LPG imports, New Delhi has been forced to urgently diversify its energy sources. Argentina has emerged as an important partner. In the first quarter of 2026 alone, Argentina exported 50,000 tons of LPG to India, more than double its total exports of 22,000 tons in 2025. Of this, nearly 39,000 tons had already arrived from Bahia Blanca before the conflict intensified. Another 11,000 tons were shipped on March 5. Notably, Argentina had no LPG exports to India prior to 2024, indicating rapidly growing energy ties. Argentina के ambassador to India, Mariano Agustin Cosino, highlighted his country's vast gas reserves and willingness to expand cooperation. He noted that recent engagements between energy companies and Indian officials could pave the way for stronger collaboration. Despite the growing partnership, logistical hurdles remain significant. The nearly 20,000 kilometer distance between Bahia Blanca and Dahej makes it one of the longest energy shipping routes, increasing costs and posing risks related to weather and delivery timelines. Domestically, India has ramped up commercial LPG allocation by 20% to support key sectors like hospitality. At the same time, efforts are underway to expand piped natural gas (PNG) connections, encouraging households to shift to more stable energy sources. As global energy markets remain volatile, India's outreach to distant partners like Argentina signals a pragmatic approach. The evolving cooperation not only addresses immediate shortages but also lays the groundwork for a long-term strategic partnership in energy security.